Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on I-81 in the Commonwealth of Virginia, beginning at mile 39 in Smyth County. We enter the town of Marion, the county seat of Smyth County. The town is named for American Revolutionary War officer Francis Marion. Marion is one of a few towns to be designated as an official Virginia Main Street community and National Main Street community. The Lincoln Theater, a meticulously renovated Art Deco Mayan Revival-style performing arts center in Marion, is the home of the nationally syndicated bluegrass music program Song of the Mountains. The General Francis Marion Hotel has been completely restored. It's a boutique hotel that has received a AAA 3-diamond ranking. The town hosts a monthly art walk with local artists and musicians held on the second Friday of each month in May through December. Marion has an estimated population of 5,659 as of 2017. We reached the census-designated place of Atkins, which had a population of 1,143 as of the 2010 census. Atkins' Old Stone Tavern was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1982. This historic inn and tavern was built about 1815 to accommodate travelers in the heavy migration through the Cumberland Gap to the west in the early 19th century. We cross the line into Wythe County, named after George Wythe, the first Virginian signer of the Declaration of Independence. During the Civil War, the Battle of Cove Mountain was fought in the county. Wythe County has an estimated population of 29,016 as of 2016. We enter the town of Rural Retreat, which had an estimated population of 1,462 as of 2017. Rural Retreat was incorporated in 1911, and according to the town's website, the origin of the town's name is perhaps unknown. We conclude today's video at exit 67 as we approach the town of Wytheville. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.